Wagwan fam, Wagwan peeps, old and new, new and old. Welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. And of course, it's me, Anisha. It's been a minute, not true. I don't know, cause me. God no, me don't even know when my life I will get together, cause why? Easy if stay consistent with this thing, me I tell you the truth. And I can't promise say, oh, I'll be uploading and putting up videos every time this weekend. So I can't promise people. Me just a try, a bit trying. Okay, bit trying. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. As you see in the title below, it's another dance song. You know me love my little dance thingy them already. So let's get into the video and let's do this. Play tune. This will take long, brother.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
What have you learned over the holiday?
Pass. Yo. QQ no easy a blum from heart. Watch this pitney in a man class in a glasses. QQ. Is who you belong to? Who you belong to? I quit watch him to know a skin and meet it. Yo, back in the day, I remember when the Nigerian movie them went just about in Jamaica. Yeah, mommy, me no say a fear thing them, you know, big up yourself. Play.
Hey, have you heard about that little boy in Jamaica? They call him Cuckoo. The little boy is
They call him what? Cuckoo. Play.
mashing up the place. He has a dance, him and Kolo Kolo. The dance is mad. I remember the dance. Yeah. Say we are gonna take it to them. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who not like we, so we still like them. Bavali me live, I mean I beg no friend.
I don't know about you guys, but for me, all these them songs I want to see me play over the Pammy channel. If you don't notice, these songs are songs that are a couple years back. And the reason why I do a lot of these songs, I don't say I not do the song them we just dropping but I don't know. I just like the songs them back so. It just bring back a lot of nostalgic memories for me. And I am sure it brings back a lot of nostalgic memories for a lot of you guys. So play again. Barbecue days, high school days. You see me?
Say we are gonna take it to them. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who no like we, say we still like them. Marvel me live, I mean I beg no friend. Stepping at the club, them say I you. Everybody asking how you do. I hear that you want color up something new. Well I done with the ready and pass do. I move to the left and you move too. I move.
Pause. Alright. Yeah. You see, when we used to go dance, me and my brother them, Flames, you see it, Flames got TV, big up yourself, you be too, big up on yourself. You see, when we used to go dance back in the day, yo, when you left that the dance there and come back at your yard, you probably not even want bed. You probably just wash your foot and go sleep till you're tired, because for the whole night, you do cardio, you do core exercise, you do your hamstring, you do your glutes, you do your hub workout. What else you do? You do your arm, you get leg day, everything in a one. So when you done that the dance there, no man, and you reach a area, you're tired, you know, brother. Play tune.
To the right, she say I'll follow you. The wine when me up, she say you too. Them as for idol, I'm show GQ. Say we are gonna take it to them. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who no like we, so we still like them. Marvel me live, I mean I beg no friend. Say we are gonna take it to them. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who no like we, so we still like them. Marvel me live, I mean I beg.
Pause. You can dance if you don't want to dance, I'm not tapping you, brother. Dance if you don't want to dance. Because if I were not doing this review, I would be dancing. But you don't know me, I have to compose myself and review the thing. You see me? Play tune.
No friend, me a one juvenile, no one can stop me. Father got him there, figure back me. Me pattern on my style, no one can flop me. Jamaica, Canada, world about me. All them a fight with the girl, them love it. One man me praise and a father got a bug with the girl, them so cute and the whole of them ugly. Can't touch my style is untouchable. Say we a go take it to them. Say we a go set it for them. Who not like we, so we still like them.
Pause. Boy, I'm not telling you like. Yo, when QQ when busting a man out, yo, QQ did the hardest thing to bombard. Dali youth here, when the man come out, yo, I say bombard, dali youth here. You not sing no negative nothing. Who remember when you not sing no negative song, and the song that comes to my mind is Poverty. Remember that song there? Poverty. Yeah, yeah. That one your name, Poverty. Yo. They rate that youth, yeah, man, big time. Play it tune.
I'm in a bed, no friend, Rum Ram. We are gonna take it to them, Rum Ram. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who no like we, say we still like them. Marvel in me live, I'm in a bed, no friend. The dance is Rum Ram. I remember it. When the man color go round with the waist and make up their face and go on. The boy is mashing up the village. We should bring him here to Africa. Let him come to Africa and perform.
That's the boy is mashing up the village. Play it.
And we will be rich. Rum Ram, just pure Rum Ram. Rich. You think it is Tuki? It is Rum Ram, the mad dogs. This boy is mashing up the whole of Africa. We shall be rich. We are gonna take it to them, Rum Ram. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who not like we, say we still like them. Marvel in me live, I'm in a beg, no friend, Rum Ram. We are gonna take it to them, Rum Ram.
Pause. The song soon done, but me have to pause it. You see it and I don't know. What me fi say? The man accent pan point. The man say, me one way for the time when this a say come out if you really when they mash up Africa. Yo, the man accent bad no blow up. Play tune.
Say we are gonna set it for them. Who not like we, say we still like them. Marvel in me live, I'm in a beg, no friend. Stepping at the club, them say I do. Everybody asking how you do. I hear that you want color up something new. Well, I don't ready and passa do. I move to the left and you move too. I move to the
Shout out to Weddy and Passa.
right. She say I'll follow you. The wine when me up, she say you too. The muscle I tell me show GQ. We are gonna take it to them, Rum Ram. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who no like we, say we still like them. Marvel in me live, I'm in a bed, no friend, Rum Ram. We are gonna take it to them, Rum Ram. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who no like we, say we still like them. Marvel in me live, I'm in a bed, no friend. We are gonna take it to them, Rum Ram. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who no like we, say we still like them. Marvel in me live, I'm in a
But yo, I who say Jamaican can make dance? Me say anyhow, you know what we need for yo. They need to put back then dance here back in a dance hall. We want some more. Elephant man, where you the dog? Forward in I think no man. Sure, play a tune.
no friend, Rum Ram. We are gonna take it to them, Rum Ram. Say we are gonna set it for them. Who no like we, so we still like them. Marvel in me live, I'm in a bed, no friend.
But the man gone in a helicopter. So there you have it, guys. Rum Ram QQ, or Tek It To Them QQ. Hope you enjoyed it. And had fun. Reminiscing and going back in your mind to like, yeah, those days. So like, comment, share, subscribe, join the thing and build the thing. You see it, mom life, thug life, you see me? So me soon in the next video. Fingers crossed. Now I promise you nothing, brother. Cause me don't know. Me don't know. Me see you in the next video. You see it? Bye.